Do we have hives? We have one beehive. I got mites. I gotta kill these mites. Where are you going? That's all. I suppose nectar. They're building that frame. These are brand new. Okay. And there's some larvae. I'm surprised that the queen is there. Oh. Let me put my glasses on. A little bit of brood and the rest is bread, it looks like. Bee bread. Nectar. So this was a new frame last week. It's still light, but they're building it out. Definitely building it out. This is the last time I'm gonna go this deep for a while. So we have plenty of resources. Had a few dying outside. I looked it up and it just looks like probably old age. Don't think it's a pesticide. It's a few mites this time though, like 4 mites I found. Disconcerting, 'cause this is really a new area. I haven't had bees here before. Ooh, this is a new frame too. This is one that I put in a month ago, and it's looking good. There's one larva on there, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're capping them. So we checkerboarded these last week, and they are performing. I didn't like these frames. They ain't got the notches on them. I didn't know when I bought them. But we'll live with it. Ooh, the larva in that one, huh? Clear on the ends. Yeah, look at all that larva in the corner. She's finding every space she can. Hopefully she's got enough. This one's pretty light, but they're building it out, it looks like. Haven't seen her yet. Wouldn't be surprised. This one's getting real close. There she is, right there. Thought maybe she might be in here. She's got a brand new frame. It's getting built out. She's ready. Fill it up, I think. So that's a good sign. She's there. We can actually probably move her. Ooh, that one's full. This is the one that came with the nuke, so, but nuke's been in for a month, right on the button right now. And this colony is growing. Even though I got some dead bees on the outside, it's just not too concerning. It's not very many. Well, look at that nectar. Oh, bee in my hair. Bread. Pea bread. There's some capped honey in the corners. Well, there's new larvae in there. Lots of it. So that should be capped. Next time, we'll check that one out next time. So we're doing good. That's the frame the queen was on right here. So she's give him some room. So we just expanded this last week and I did the checkerboard and I know I'm not perfect. This is first year, so watched as many YouTube videos and been going to association meetings and doing what I can, right? Learn from the experts. We're gonna leave the queen excluder where it's at, and if we have to expand, we will. Okay, so now, I thought these stains would be really good, but they're really tricky. If you don't do this right, you don't put these on, snap these stains, and bees get behind them and can't get back out, and they die. That's not good. So let's see if we can get these out of here. Alright, so that should make it through the week now, I'm hoping. This is the part you need to make sure it gets snapped on. I had a whole bunch of bees dying. They got through here somehow, couldn't get back out. There we go. Ooh. Don't spill. I don't like inviting other creatures. Okay. Got a little more space in this one. All right.